Hello, I am Dr. Advait Kulkarni, your neighborhood neurologist practicing in HSR Layout, Bangalore. Doctor, I sleep at 1 o'clock in the night, but I sleep for 9 hours. Is it enough? No, my friend. You have to follow circadian rhythm. If you are sleeping very late, body will not like it because your brain and your body like rhythm and stability. Sleep is not just rest, it is when the body, your brain recovers. The neurotransmitters in the brain, a lot of chemical functions are stabilized during sleep. So it is very important to sleep as early as possible and wake up fresh in the morning. That is because your sleep hormone melatonin rises in the body after 7 o'clock in the evening, and between 10 to 2 it is at the peak. So that is the time when your body needs sleep the most. So if you are sleeping very late, having a midnight work, midnight meetings, chilling and doing Netflix in the midnight, then you are prone for getting more headaches and more migraines. Most important factor is not to have a late night meal as well. If you eat your meal very late, then you will not get a proper sleep in the night. So you have to have your meal 2 to 3 hours before your sleep time, assuming your sleep time is 10 o'clock or 10:30. That is where the brain will heal. So next time when your migraines increase, before changing your medications, fix your sleep. And we are here at HSR Layout in Bangalore if you need any consultation for migraines. Thank you very much.